Well, alrighty. Looks like it is 6:45, so let's get started with our 2021 Topps Tier 1 Baseball Random Team One Box Break number 1. Just like with all of our random breaks, we'll list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Chad in the top 2 spots and Richard in the bottom spot. Well, shoot, the cut and paste did not work again. There we go. So as always, I will cut and paste this over to the right, sort by everybody's names. We'll see who has which teams, and then tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, so Brian K has the Blue Jays, Brian L has the Nationals, Chad has the Angels, the A's, and the Cardinals, Clifford has the Royals, Dwayne has the Marlins, the Orioles, the Reds, and the Tigers, Jack has the Cubs, the Diamondbacks, and the Red Sox, Jeff has the Brewers, the Indians, the Phillies, and the White Sox, Joseph has the Rays, Josh has the Mets, the Pirates, and the Rockies, Justin has the Astros, Kevin has the Giants, Pablo has the Braves, the Padres, and the Rangers, and Richard has the Dodgers, the Mariners, the Twins, and the Yankees. Alrighty, now that we have been through our list, let's open up our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. There's our pack. All right, our first card. Whoa, how about that? An Alex Kirilloff rookie autograph, serial numbered 3/10 for the Twins. Whoa. Yeah, Richard, I thought that last team might not be the best for you. Very nice rookie autograph. 3/10. Our next card is a Starling Marte autograph, serial numbered 149/300 for the Marlins. And then our last card in our box is a Christian Yelich jersey, serial number 13/299 for the Brewers. All right. So now that we've opened our box, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. Alrighty, so our first cards are Christian Yelich jersey card for the Brewers. And that goes to Jeff. Congrats on that, Jeff. And then next is our Starling Marte autograph for the Marlins. And that goes to Dwayne. Congrats on that, Dwayne. And then lastly is our Alex Kirilloff rookie autograph, serial numbered 3/10 for the Twins. And that goes to Richard. Hey, congrats on that. Very nice. Let's take another peek at that. Not too shabby. So that is from the Breakout autograph set. Nice little silver Sharpie there. Very nice. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2021 Topps Tier 1 Baseball Random Team 1-Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live feed for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes with our 21 Bowman Baseball Mega Box break. Thanks again, everybody.